Takže čaute, ja vás vítam u môjho tretieho videa na hru GTA San Andreas. V minulom dieli sme boli v pizzerii, kde sme mali ju akože vylúpiť, potom sme boli sprejovať. A teraz ideme na ďalšiu misiu. Takže ideme.
Hey, you gotta keep it real, man. Man, nobody give a shit about the hood. I do. All they do is sell yay and ruin the place. No crack ever made a gang type.
Oh, no, man. What's up, y'all?
What's up, CJ?
What's crack?
Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
You can't knock a homie's hustle, sweet.
Even marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to be businessmen.
Yeah, but they down with us, man.
All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chumps on the ballers are sweating the homies. Go put pressure on them. Let's do it.
We've been putting time in the hood, but we gotta get the homies back together. Like the old days.
Yeah, you right. So you and Ryder gonna handle your business. Man, they're slang to their own mama. They don't care about nothing.
You're naive, my friend. We gotta keep our focus.
We need some backup. You seen Beat Up?
Nah. But him and the homeboy Bear, they good to have on our side.
Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them bass slangers gonna be sorry now.
Hey, Beat Up is only a couple of blocks away.
Takže ako ste mohli vidieť ukážku, neviem kam ideme, takže nastupujeme do auta. Nastupuj. Dobre. Takže tak asi ideme. Takže teraz by som chcel potom aj natáčiť aj Far Cry 1, neviem či vás to bude baviť, ale preto to natočím.
Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up! You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you this it.
Open up!
Who the fuck is it? CJ, the fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, hold up, man. What happened to For Life, nigga?
The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here before you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check this fool.
Hey, Bear? Big Bear, that's you? Hey, you still from the hood, homie, or what?
The only thing Bear give a fuck about is smoking and keeping my house clean. Ain't that right, Big Bear?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, what?
Hell yeah, sir.
Now go make that motherfucking toilet spark.
Oh, no, man.
Man. Bear, come on.
Everyone likes to party sometimes, CJ. I'll see you around.
Stay the fuck from around here, punk.
Hey, nigga, fuck you.
This shit's fucked up.
I see what you mean now, man. If Crack can do that to Big Bear, turn him into a bass slave, the average motherfucker ain't got a chance.
Damn dope fiends and drug addicts everywhere in the city. Piss me off.
Look like it's up to us then.
Let's just cruise through the hood and find somebody.
No, takže ideme ďalej. Takže ako som už hovoril, tak by som chcel natočiť Far Cry 1. Keďže sa mi darilo viac Far Cry 1 jak GTAčku, tak by som točil. Mobil neotravuj. Takže kam teraz sem? Netrub na mňa. Čo s ním? On bude mať zbraň.
Hey, check it out. Somebody's selling to one of the homies.
Ideme ho zabiť, zabijeme ho.
Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What you need?
Aha, to sme mal zabiť.
Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a front yard baller OG from Idlewood. I know his place. It's just across the tracks there. Let's check it out.
Hey, ain't that front yard turf?
Man, are you a buster?
Nah, I'm down, homie.
Hey, grab hold of that bat over there.
Super, takže ideme teraz tam. Poď to zabehneme. No poď ty, Lemra.
Man, we on a serious mission now.
Man, don't sweat it, homie. Everybody
Máme pálku.
pussies.
Tieto zbijeme ju. Bum. Ešte. Poď, no poď. Ešte poď. Ja nám dal peniaze, super. Takže ideme tam. No poď. Poď. No tak poď už. Vlaky tu chodia. No poď, už sme tu. Ja to zabehnem. Šprintuj.
Wait! Man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Takže máme zase dnu.
Good afternoon, baller dope pushers. Grove Street OG.
Ako vidíme, všetci sú nadrogovaní, svetovaní. Takže ideme ich pobiť. Tu máš, na. Tu máš. O, počkaj, oni ma bijú, ja mám asi brko. O, ja máš jedna na brkovnici. Dobre, ja som hlavu odstredil. Nie, ďakaj ma. Sračky jednej. Poď, ešte, tu máš. No. Tu. Tak ti treba. Sorry. To je tu všetko. Je ty? Máš. No. Počkaj, ja ju otrávim. Som ju otravil? Čo som ju otravil? Kakos. A ja ho otravím. No, otrav sa, het. Ja som ho nafetobal. Dobre, tak môžeme ísť asi von. Asi pôjdeme. To je zase, to je všetko už. Ukradneme si motorku. Ojoj, to je policia. Odri, rýchlo, nasadaj, het. Toho tu zbijem. Poď. No poď. Ešte, tlač, no. Máme zbraň. Poď, dávaj, hej, sadaj. Do motorky ideme, to je za super. Takže to bolo super. Počkaj, nasaď na zadným. Dobre.
Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real bang.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.
No, takže vám ďakujem, že ste si pozreli tento diel GTA San Andreas. Potom by som chcel natočiť ešte Far Cry 1, ako som už hovoril viackrát. Takže potom. Takže ďakujem, že ste to video pozreli a nezabudnite dať like. Keď sa vám video nepáčilo, tak dajte koment, aby som mohol chyby napraviť. Takže ďakujem a dovi.